We use skip counting.
I love it. Nice job.
That looks like a house. That's not how you do it. You made a house. No, let me count. It's fine. Yeah. And like this. 30, 60. I said 36.
You can just watch. Okay, Baylor. What does this look like over here, bud?
I don't know what to write.
You don't know what to write? Let's see what you have.
I didn't write that. That was from my class.
Oh, that's okay. Go over here. Let's look at the board for an idea of how to help you how to write. What does the board say? Sorry, it's a little dark. It says there are blank toothpicks in all. How did you find how many total toothpicks there were? What strategy did you use after you built these pentagons?
30, 60. 60, 120.
Well, you're skip counting by 30s. That's incredible. All you have to do is count the number of toothpicks that were used for only 6 pentagons. How many were used for 1?
5.
If 5 was used for 1, how many were used for 6? What strategy would you use to add it? What's going on in your brain right now?
30.
There is 30 in all. How did you get there? What did your brain do? Because I saw you look up and your brain was thinking.
My pencil.
Write your strategy and your answer in a sentence. Good job. You're on the right track, Baylor. Ruby already has a number line going. That's good. You can have the same strategies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I don't know how to draw a pentagon.
Ruby, what strategy did you use to find how many there are in all? What does the number line represent? What strategy?
Skip counting.
Skip counting. What did you skip count by?
5.
Why?
Because there's 5 of the toothpicks.
Can you skip count by 5s for me?
5, 10, 15.
Look at your desks. Leave your toothpicks and your mats on the floor.
Yeah, but...
Bring your if you're someone I've asked to come to the dot cam, you may. Stand in line, Leslie. Take a seat in 5, 4. Okay, my mathematicians. Keep your math journals open for me. Keep your math journals open. I'm checking. Baylor, where's your math journal? Math journal open. Your chance, if any of your friends show a finding on the dot cam that you did not get a chance to write, you can add it to your journals now. Are you ready? Under the dot cam, my friend, share what one strategy. His page is full of them. He's going to pick one to share.
There are 30 toothpicks in all. 3 groups of 10 equal 30.
3 groups of 10 equal 30. Scholars, can you see that okay? I know it's a little dark.
Yeah, I can see it just fine.
Can you see that at the bottom?
Oh, yeah.
He wrote 3 groups of 10 equal 30. Everybody give Brandon an air applause. Thank you, Brandon. If you did not have 3 groups of 30 written in your journal, add it now. Look how many pencils are writing. Nice job. Okay, Ruby, pick a strategy that has not already been shared. What did you do, Ruby?
A number line.
Ruby, say it louder for our friends to hear.
A number line.
Raise your hand if you did a number line like Ruby. I'm going to count. I want to see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So about a third of our class did a number line. That means if you didn't, what can you write in your journal right now? A number line. Ruby, what does your number line look like so our friends can document these findings along with you? What did your number line start with?
5.
What does it hop by?
5.
By 5s. So her numbers on her number line are, Ruby, say it out loud.
5.
5.
10. 15. 20. 25. 30.
Ruby, why did you end at 30?
Because I hopped 6 times. And
Why did you hop 6 times, Ruby? I don't get it. I thought you had to hop 5 times.
because there's 6 of these.
You hop the number of groups, right? Raise your hand if you can answer Ruby's question. Say, why did I skip count by 5s?
Why did I skip count by 5?
Ruby's asking, why did she skip count by 5s? Call a friend in the audience.
Landon? Because and also in Pentagon there's 5 and there are 5 sides. So when you count by 5 because you made 6 pentagons and you used 5 instead of counting all the 1, 2 big ones. You took all of them with 5.
Let's skip count with Ruby. If you want to act like a little frog like me while she does it, let's do it. Ready? Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
30.
Nice job. Thank you, Ruby.
Thank you. AirPods.
Okay, Caleb, what strategy did you use?
Many.
Oh my goodness! I think he might have used every single strategy.
Wow.
Talk about this one, Caleb. Why did you do this? What is this? Show our friends.
10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30.
10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. Caleb, call on a classmate to explain why you used that strategy. Someone else explain why Caleb might have done that. Shh. Call Wyatt, quickly.
Wait, I think you did it because you did 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3, but then you just added a 0 on each number.
Caleb did something very interesting. He combined pentagons, actually. Because Caleb, how many toothpicks are in one pentagon?
5.
How many are in 2 pentagons?
10.
10. 10 represents 2 pentagons. So when he added 10 plus 10 plus 10, he added 2 pentagons, plus another 2 pentagons, plus another 2 pentagons. Nice job, Caleb. Did you get a red ticket? Thank you, Caleb. The line is a little long today, not right now. Leslie, what did you do?
I multiplied and added and subtracted, but so
Grayson.
in my head,
Maddie, Avery, take a seat.
in my head,
I'll call on you. She drew a picture. Raise your hand if you drew a picture like Leslie. Did you draw a picture of your pentagons in your journal? Nice job. I am looking here. Ooh, explain this, Leslie. Why did you write this?
Because multiplying is a very, very important thing for 3rd grade, 5th grade, and so on. Because you're gonna learn more than just this.
What does the 6 represent when you wrote 6 times 5?
So the 6 represents like 6 pentagons.
Okay, and what does the 5 represent?
The 5 represents
represents all the toothpicks.
In how many pentagons?
In 6.
There's 5 toothpicks in how many pentagons?
1.
1. So 6 times 5 is
30.
Why do you think Leslie wrote 5 times 6 is 30?
Yeah. Well, I can call on someone if you want.
Absolutely, Leslie, go for it.
You wrote that backwards because it doesn't equal something different. It just equals the same thing. Because 6 times 5 is 30, and 5 times 6 is because they're the same. Because 5 is just on the different thing, but it's the same number. It's 5 and 6 are in the opposite way. It's just the same number, so it would just equal the same thing.
You're actually really right. I used flip-flops. So like a flip-flop is like where you like flip the thing and it still will equal the same thing.
Thank you, Leslie. Give Leslie air applause.
31s.
He did 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. He did repeated addition all the way up to what?
30.
Counting by ones on each pentagon. But guess what he also did? He's like, I can count by ones easy. What did you show here with repeated addition?
But what about 5?
What about?
Challenge myself.
He challenged himself to write it by 5s. 5 plus.
5 plus 5 plus 5.
Amazing. Let's give Wyatt some air applause. There you go, my friend.
And also, I got stuck on this, and then I restarted.
Good job for having grit. Okay. Savannah, I love this. What would you like to share, Savannah? I'm going to highlight Savannah's complete sentence. Can you read this? She has a capitalization when she started writing her answer. And what does she have at the end of her sentence?
Period.
A period. Can you use air capitalization and show the class how you wrote it? Watch Savannah.
There are 30 toothpicks in all.
Let's do it with Savannah. Are you ready? Everybody get out your punctuation. Get out your air motions. Are you ready? There are 30 toothpicks in all. If you have not written your answer. Oh, I'm going to stop you, Preston. Preston has written a math story, my friends. Let's listen to this.
There's another page.
Oh, I know. Preston has 2 pages of a math story. This is incredible.
He makes 6 pentagon. He used 30 toothpicks. I noticed because I did multiplication and skip counted by 5, 1, and 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.
I got that part. And your skip counting?
And I don't even know if this is 30. I just
You did it right. 6.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30.
Nice job. Everybody give Preston air applause. Incredible writing in your math journal. Okay, our last one. McKenna, what would you like to share?
There are 30 toothpicks in all.
Amazing. I see a number line. We're going to summarize all the methods today, scholars. Can you give me a yeehaw if you used it? Ready? I see McKenna drew a picture. I see McKenna showed a number line for skip counting. I see she did repeated addition. I see that she multiplied. And used her number in a complete, and showed her answer in a complete sentence. Another? Yeehaw! McKenna, amazing.